Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the spectacular Verisene blue. Starting our journey from the front of this Velar, where we'll find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, the luxurious and sporty dynamics are continued as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloys. Coming around to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, which you'll be able to fit a canine companion, a set of golf clubs, or even a week's worth of shopping. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality and comfort of their raven blue ebony perforated grey leather seats. And as we move to the front, you'll also see the 14-way driver memory heated electric memory front seats, ensuring all comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a closer look at your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed and sat-nav. Advancing over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which ensures parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access climate control and heated seat functions from within your entertainment screen, as well as various vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. Lastly, moving up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.